Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl AB George and we are back with another video tutorial.
Welcome to AB George.
Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. I go anywhere for you.
So here are the things you'll be needing for this dye. You'll be needing a wool or a hair thread. If you don't have a wool, you'll be needing any kinky hair of your choice. I used Darling Yankee kinky hair, scissors. Now what I did was to wrap my thread around this chair, and then I started knotting it down, like tying down my hair to the rope, to the wool though. Now I won't be showing everything in detail because this is a very easy style. Okay, if I show everything in details, this video is gonna be so long and I don't want it. Now take your time and watch through. It's self-explanatory. You understand what we are doing here. Now when you're tying down this hair, make sure you tie it twice. Don't tie it just once. Tie it twice so that it won't unravel. Okay, tie it twice so that it will be secured properly. Okay. So when you're done with this, the next thing is to grab your scissors, cut the hair like so, then tie it down to secure the hair properly, to seal the tips of the hair. Okay, grab your scissors, then cut the excess rope you won't be needing. Next is to grab your straightener, or if you have hot iron in the house, use it and press through to seal the tips of the hair. Okay. Guys, after that, you soak all the hair inside hot water for a few minutes. Like I'll allow my own sit in hot water for 10 minutes and then I air dry it, and your kinky hair is ready. Like the main reason for soaking it inside hot water is to make it more softer and very easy to manage. You can decide to skip this process, but I think it's very important in making the hair a little bit softer. the hair is all dry, you have like 3 bundles of kinky hair ready to be started, So the next thing is to grab your dummy hair and get ready for wig making. So the net I'll be using for this wig style is this a cap that comes with a closure. You can use any other cap of your choice, but this is what I prefer anytime I want to make half wig style. Okay, secure your cap properly on top of the dummy head. Then you start sewing down. Now there's no big deal in sewing down this hair. It's an afro hair, so whenever you're sewing it down, always make sure you space it out. Space out a whole lot. If you don't want your hair to be like very big, space it out. Like I think I did like 4 lines, and then I go to the front. Now if you're making your own, make sure you space it out very well. Okay. So when you get to the front part of the wig, grab a crochet needle and then crochet throughout, crochet round to cover the tracks at the back, So guys, your wig is almost ready. Next thing is to cut out this lace part because we won't be needing it for the style. Use a scissors and then cut off the lace part. Now while cutting it out, be careful not to cut too close to where you crochet your hair. Now after this, I went ahead to sew a comb on the wig. Like I went ahead to sew this comb on the wig, and the wig is ready to be slayed. Okay guys, I went ahead to weave my hair anyhow, like just to show you guys the style, you know. I sewed just one of this comb to this wig. Okay, I just wanted to show you that you can wear this wig even if you don't have that particular comb. You can use a bobby pin to secure the hair, and the hair will sit very pretty and comfortable on your head. There are so many styles you can actually rock with this style. You can use it as a ponytail clip. Okay, you can just gel down your hair and then apply it as a ponytail holder. If you're natural hair, you can actually bring out your hair in the front and wear it, and it will look all natural like your hair. Like this wig, you can rock it anyhow. Okay, so guys, if you have watched this tutorial till now, I guess you enjoyed this video. Click on the subscribe button to join the family. Feel free to leave a comment. Click on the like button and the notification button to know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.